Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 8 divided by 1 over 8 times 8. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression, we have one division and one multiplication. According to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first this division, 8 divided by 1 over 8. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we can write 8 times 8 and times 8. Now 8 times 8 equals 64. So 64 times 8, which equals 512. So our final answer to this problem is just 512.